channel. Today we are going to go get the fenders rolled. Both Miatas will have the fenders rolled today, so now we can take the Miata out on the streets, drive her around. I haven't driven her in a while just because I wanted to do it right and get the fenders rolled. Jay Fresh is inside. He is coming out shortly, but we are getting both Miatas fender rolled today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hit that like, drop a comment, and subscribe. I'm here to start up. Let him hear the start up. Let him hear the start up. Okay.
Look, your side girl's over there.
Who?
Across the street.
Oh, you talking about her? So we're back. We made it down here to get the fenders rolled. Now he's rolling. He's starting to put the, the process of fender rolling. It's pretty cool. Got the little machine. You guys can see the wheels. We got to take some off. How you feeling?
We're back at it again. Welcome back, y'all.
It's going down. It was definitely rubbing on something, and it was making me mad.
Yep. You pulled it pretty good, man.
Told you.
Yeah.
We'll get you fixed up, though.
Yeah, this is the damage.
Tea still look hot. Oh.
I'm excited to see how these fenders come out. CJ Fresh car looking great. I'm excited to see how the roll is going to sit on this bad boy. Should be pretty fire. Also, we can stop eating up the tire back here from the rub, so that'll stop finally once it's rolled and pulled. For anybody that needs to be, fenders need to be rolled in Vegas, you guys can hit up, your Instagram is...
Boom, Bag by Danny.
Say it one more time for him.
One more time. Boom, Bag by Danny.
Here in Las Vegas.
Right here.
High fashion, like go y'all. G-Wagon, or the Robo. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we having the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of faith? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you ride at the top, babe. You want your name, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a